Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to share the top 5 tech tips for using your Profitec Pro 300 successfully. When you're using your machine, especially the first time, you're going to find that the machine will turn itself off at a certain point, and that's typically due to the water reservoir dropping below a certain level. It's really simple. If that machine turns itself off, like that, all you'd have to do is refill your water reservoir. You'll find a magnet float inside the tank. If that pops out of place, that'll also cause the machine not to read on the sensor. You can put that back into place as shown here. Here's a quick overview of all of the switches and knobs on your Pro 300, just to give you a better understanding of how to use your machine and how to read what's going on. Your 2 switches down here are your main power switch on the far side here. That turns on and off that main green light indicator. Your steam boiler can be turned on and off here. And you'll notice the orange LED light turns on. The gauge on the right-hand side of the front here is your steam boiler. That should be in that green zone. You have your steam wand knob. Twisting counterclockwise will open it, and clockwise to turn it off. Same with your hot water tap. Counterclockwise to open that up, clockwise to turn that off. Your brew switch is found up at the top here. When it's turned in the on position, you'll see the orange light turn on. And finally, you have your PID display down at the bottom over there. That can be programmed to give you temperatures that are specific to 1 degree. When you receive your machine, you can know that it's been thoroughly bench tested by our team here. We run through the machine, we fill the boilers and make sure that they're heating to the proper temperatures. We also preset your PID to 200 degrees, and we set your steam pressure to be in this 1.1 to 1.4 range. Your Pro 300 does not have a pump pressure gauge on board, so we use a specialized tool to verify what that pressure is reading. Because we preset this before you get the machine, you don't ever have to worry about it. You just know that your machine is operating at the ideal 9 to 10 bars of pressure. The Pro 300 with the onboard PID allows you to dial in the temperature at the group head very precisely. You have the feedback on the machine that tells you what it's set at and when the machine is heated to that specific temperature. We have done extensive testing at the group head using a specialized tool called a SCASE. This, I'll demonstrate for you, verifies that our temperatures, when we are running a 30-second shot, stay heated to 200 degrees throughout the entire shot. You can confidently know that your shot temperatures at the group head when you're brewing are at that 200 degree mark and you're getting very consistent results with your espresso. And finally, I just want to show you a time test of milk steaming, just so you have an idea of how quickly and how fast your milk in a 6-ounce cappuccino should be expected to steam. After steaming, my steam pressure on the steam boiler will rebound pretty quickly. You can watch within the time that it would take me to pour the cappuccino. My steam pressure is already back up to its full 1 to 1.4 bars of pressure. And our milk is nice and hot and perfect for your cappuccinos. For more tips on using your Profitec Pro 300, check out the links here. For other tech tips on our knowledge base, visit our website, clivecoffee.com.